Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
I'm sorry about this. Sorry about
You go through, mate.
Okay. Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello. Ah! Oh God. Oh, are you okay? Oh.
Station 9.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.